Today I'm going to show you how to wear a ring sling. Hey everybody, it's Cecilia here with Robin's Nest Weaving, and today we're going to talk all about ring slings. Ring slings are so popular, and I see a lot of people having issues with actually how to wear them and how to put them on and make them comfortable. Oh, hi Theo. And I'm also going to show you how to breastfeed while the baby's still in the ring sling. My ring sling is already threaded because I always keep it threaded, but I'm gonna unthread it for the purpose of this video. So we're gonna start with long piece of fabric attached to rings. And now you're gonna wanna choose which side you want your baby on. I generally go with just the side that I naturally hold my baby on, which is my left hip. And also, this arm is a little less able to do things, but then you also have to take into consideration that this will be going over your shoulder, which also inhibits movement a little bit, but you can adjust that too for however you need it. I still prefer the rings to be on my dominant arm so that I have more ability to move around and do stuff. So you're gonna start by taking the tail. It's nice, there's no flips. Putting it all through both rings. Making sure it didn't flip while we did that. And then I'm taking it all back through just this second ring. And that is threaded, but now I'm going to actually find here and just kind of make sure that it's not folding in on itself. My thumb is back here, kind of helping lead it. And now I'll just kind of pull that gently. All right. And now I've left mine a little loose so that I could just get my baby in. If you didn't, you just want to pull up on this and kind of give this a tug. All right, so now that our ring sling is on us and it's threaded, you want your rings to be around corsage height. In order to make that actually be where your rings are once you have your baby in, you'll probably want to start with them more like up on your shoulder. That's generally the best placement. Now, taking your child, guide their legs into the pocket. Pull the ring sling up over their back and create a seat by pulling the fabric between you and your child. I placed my child already slightly to my side. If you had a newborn, you would want to place them right at the front of your body. Spread the wrap over your back and just enough to cup your shoulder where it's comfortable for you. And then go strand by strand and tighten all the way. Adjust the shoulder again as needed. Kind of adjust everywhere as needed. And voila! Super comfortable and super easy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So if I wanted to breastfeed now with my baby in either the side position or in the front position, all I would do is just ever so slightly loosen this. Jostle them down just a little bit. And then at this point, I would just pull my boob out and he would just start nursing, but my shirt is a little high. I can't exactly show it, but that is how I would breastfeed him. And then when he was done, I would just kind of tighten everything back up